Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Every time you log in your account or you boot up your PC, you see this, press Ctrl Alt Delete. Once you press this, then you have to enter your password again and then it boots up your system. So in order to bypass this and in order to remove this feature, what you have to do is first boot up and log into your account so your PC boots up completely. Once your system is online, press Windows R and type net plwiz. Once you do this, click OK and this will open this user accounts interface. What you have to do is click on advanced and here you'll see require users to press Ctrl Alt Delete. This would be checked for your case, so you just have to uncheck this and click on apply and then click on OK. Now just check this again, just restart your PC from here, just click restart and it will restart your PC and then check if the problem is solved or not. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.